Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Starting off up here in one of the alleyways in the Benidorm Old Town. I'm going to try to show you who I've got behind me if it's going to work. Mickey Mouse. Just above the Disney shop. Gonna take a walk through town, see how busy it is. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Spanish siesta time. Plus the weather's not really the best today, so yeah, just see how many people's out and about here in Benidorm. First off, though, check out that sort of Spanish architecture, and it does sort of carry on all the way up this alleyway. That's just the sheer beauty of the old town. And here is the sort of Disney, Marvel, DC, Pokemon type shop. Wednesday Addams, Styles, Iron Man, Captain America, Incredible Hulk, Pikachu shirt as well. We are just going to take a slow walk up into the old town, show you some of the shops. Got the €6 shop across the road there, guys. Is everything actually €6 though, or is it just a sort of ploy to get people to go into the shop? Is it? Maybe it is. I mean, it was started as a sale, but it is still going on. All the alleyways up there as well. And we got Candylicious with the big sort of pirate barrels full of sweets there, guys. Sort of going for the old style pick and mix type vibes. Or if that isn't really what you are preferring, we have got Sabora España with your traditional sort of Spanish sweets and local delicacies. Now I'm just trying to sort of make up a plan. I think I'll cut off up here. That okay with you? Got the art shop there as well. Some pretty nice pictures in there, and art supplies. Paint set $42.95. Or the smaller one at €22.50. Drop a comment down below if that's a decent price. Think it is probably a bit much for what they are. Wonder when Mike will get back into his arts and crafts type stuff. He ain't got time, he says. No photos allowed in the shop. That big picture though, Benidorm in 1952. God, way before I were born. Not sure if Mike was still about then. And you just venture through the alleyways and you just have all the nice sort of architecture down there. Absolutely gorgeous. So at the back of some of the bars and restaurants up here, guys. Not sure if Mike's doing a picture or what. But I mean, just look at the architecture just sort of throughout the whole alleyway. And to think it's just sort of linked off the busy town. Just gorgeous. I mean, this comes to show, guys, that Benidorm isn't just like the bars of the strip and all that. Benidorm's more than that, it's culture. Just perfect down here, guys. I mean, of course, we do have the strip if that is sort of what you're looking for. What were all that about?
Left the phone in the shop.
Oh man. As I was saying, we do have the strip if that's what you're after. Partying, tribute acts. But we do have the more culture side. La Tapperia, Casa de Finos, House of Wine. So yeah, Benidorm is about a lot more, guys. There is a lot of culture here with both the fiestas, the parades, and just the sheer beauty of the old town. Like, don't be afraid to walk off the beaten track. Don't be afraid to try a bar that's in the middle of nowhere, that's a bit quiet, because you never know. You may have just found the best bar in Benidorm. Oh, I'm not sure if that's coming up on camera, that, guys. Bit of a memorial, whatever they're called, on the side of this apartment. Plaque. Quite nice, that. Okay. So I've got the tapas bars around here. We're going to head downhill. Wrong side. I want to sort of show you this side. Nice little hidden restaurant and bar in there. Oh yeah, I forgot the artwork as well. I always forget that every time I'm up this way. Check that out, guys.
Hello?
No, gracias, senor. Like something from Italy, a sort of wine cellar. I mean, might not just be wine either. Could be like your lager, your homemade ciders.
That's fine, mate.
Yeah, just wine. Shows our cultural knowledge. I have. And of course, your more sort of fancy restaurants down in that direction. And the famous Tapas Alley. And another nice little tapas bar there, Taberna Sadocchi. And just look at all that nice food there, guys, the traditional Spain. So guys, I've probably already said this, but I mean, there's a lot more to Spain a lot more to Benidorm than meets the eye. Yes, we have the partying, the drinking, the drugs. Yes, we have the family side, family entertainment, family shows. But yes, we also have the nice quiet side, the traditional tapas, the fino, sangria, etc., etc. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my little tour around some of the alleyways of Benidorm, showing you that Benidorm is a lot more than just the drinking and partying. Smash that like, smash the subscribe, and as always, it's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise. Adios, mi amigos.